Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about radio not turning on in car, an easy fix that works instantly. Number 1. Check the fuses. Locate your car's fuse box. Check the owner's manual for location. Identify the radio or audio fuse. Remove the fuse and inspect it. If the metal strip is broken, replace it with a new fuse of the same amperage. Number 2. Inspect wiring connections. Ensure the wiring to the radio is secure and free from damage or corrosion. Loose or damaged wires can prevent the radio from turning on. Number 3. Check the antenna. A damaged or disconnected antenna can impact radio reception. Ensure the antenna is connected properly and is not damaged. Number 4. Anti theft features. Some radios have anti theft mechanisms that disable the unit after power loss. If the radio shows a code or similar message, consult the owner's manual to reset it. Number 5. Test the radio. If possible, connect the radio to another power source to check if it works. If it doesn't turn on, the radio might need replacement. Thanks for watching.